God is looking for you, and He's coming for you. So you just have to let Him in, let Him in, let Him in, do His work. Let Him in. Let this thing do its work. But a person, a human being, needs to control what he can control. Know what you can control. Know what you cannot control. I say again, know what you can control. Know what you cannot control. God bless you. We are loved. We are cared for. Let's enjoy God's great work on us. Let's enjoy the bliss and joy and happiness and success. One day, maybe in years, in 10 years or 20 years, I'm gonna look back in this video and say, hey,